So this morning we've come to Vineland Outlets in Disney's Character Warehouse. See what they've got. Got any bargains? There's always lounge flowers. They're more expensive than they used to be now though. These are $40. Spider-Man lounge flowers, $40. So this is the Cocoa corner. Chess set $50. This chess set was originally $100, down to $50. Water bottles down to $15. Oh, lowest found the Crocs. $35.
Want to match some Crocs.
Cool. Not sure how much they were originally. These ornaments, $12.99 there. One's $7.99, they were $30 originally.
Yeah, they never do that, do they?
These are the, from Haunted Mansion, these are the paintings. They've got him on the barrel. Just got one of them so far. Let's see what else they've got. Jack. Got a few mugs here. They've got one for Yeti here. That looks cool. Not sure how much that is. It should be $19.99 originally. See if we can find one with a. So they're $7.99. Oh yeah, I'm guessing these are all $7.99. I bet Lola's not seen that. I'll take that to her, see what she thinks to it. So Lola's been looking at these headbands here. They've got the headbands. They're $9.99. They're the same price in the park. So for us, because we don't get pass holder discount here, it's not worth buying this from here. We're going to get this from in the park. But she has picked up one of the Lotso bears. These are $3.99. They were $13 in the park. So as I thought, I've just shown Lola the Yeti mug and she is going to get one.
This one's in the basket.
Yeah, I was just saying you've got a lot, so you can get the headband from the park, aren't you?
Yeah.
So they've got lots of these Munchlin ornaments. These are $4.99. Should have been $25 originally. So you've got a Stitch. I think that's Pluto. Pluto, maybe? Got these Disney throws, down from 70 to 25. Globes, they're 15, they're only tiny. Yeah, these are the headbands I was talking about, and then yeah, we've only got Ham and Lotso at the moment. It's still a big saving. So I was going to get the Lotso, and then as we come, try and pick up more. Yeah.
They did have loads of other characters, but they obviously sold out.
Yeah. We've got some t-shirts here. Nothing jumping out at me. Not a load of great stuff today, to be honest. These should be 40 down to 15. Teddy fleece down from 75 to 30. Only got double XL though. It's got loads of Run Disney stuff. But I'm not a runner, so. But yeah, if you're into running, they've got all sorts on this trip. These are cool. $75. Oh, I saw this in the shop the other day, yeah, the Armourer's Forge. Should be 60 down to 45, that's cool. So you actually get the Armourer with it. Baby Grogu. These are cool, they're 45 as well. It's cool. $60. Should be 50 down to 15. Wow. That's cool. See the Droids from Obi-Wan Kenobi series. So it's Droid Factory Advent Calendar down to 35.
Should be 80.
Should be 80, that's good. A lot of seasonal droids. So we've got the Eye of Agamotto. That should have been $100, it's now 25. We've got the Ether, it's 25 as well. And we've got the Tesseract, it's 25.
So we made it to Universal Studios after the outlet, and for the first time we have come upstairs to go to Panda Express. We've never tried a Panda Express before, so it's first time for us. We have picked a plate with, so you get 2 entree choices and a side. We picked 2 lots of orange chicken and a chow mein to share between us. All this food cost us £12.10, and if you didn't know, Panda Express at Universal, you can get your pass on discount, so it actually only cost us $11.60. This looked amazing.
Yeah, really nice.
So Panda Express orange chicken is meant to be like one of the best things ever. Yep, that's delicious.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's banging.
I think this will be a regular stop.
Between us as well, like you get loads of food. Let's try this chow mein. It's a bit difficult to eat. That's as well. But definitely the star of the show so far is this orange chicken. Smash them into Voodoo Donuts, pick these up. Speaking really quick because there's music in the background, we don't get copyright. So I've picked the ODB, which is a chocolate donut with Oreos and peanut butter. And Matt, what have you picked?
It's the Wolfman donut. I think it's filled with a caramel cheesecake, which I'm really looking forward to.
Just a little update for you for Rye Rocket of what it looks like. I've not actually been to this Universal park yet since I've been here. So it's our first day here in this park, or afternoon should I say. It's currently 3:15. There is a Halloween Horror Nights on tonight, today's Saturday night. So we find it so funny how they cover everything up during the day because it's just too gory. So we've got less than 2 hours of this park until it closes at 5 PM for Halloween Horror Nights. First time entering the tribute store this year. We'll come in here on Halloween Horror Nights because we just want to focus on the houses. It's the first time seeing it.
There's a lot of references to the other IPs, so that's Jurassic Park. You got Boo up there. Lots of Uncle Howdy. Boo from Fallout.
Watch out in the road, please make way for the whole.
Not the same merch. Let's go into the mummy shop now. Some Wire 6 merch. Not seen this bag before. Okay. Oh, it's like a bum bag. Different. Lots of pins, lanyards, stickers. A little Boo collection. A lot of the same merch from the front of the shop. I don't think there's much different in here. That's cool. It's not got a 3D effect, it looks real. It's $35. Lowe's found a backpack. How much is that though?
$150.
Wow. Wow, $150. Bargain. This is a long sleeve shirt as well. A lot of long sleeve shirts this year. Find a friend till the end. Going back into the main museum bit now. So got some Art the Clown stuff. Mugs, glasses. The food's a little funny at the Clown Cafe. Lots of time out for credit stuff. Got a Jason stand. Shot glasses. Songs. So I like this shirt, but it's just a shame it only comes in a long sleeve. Don't really do long sleeve shirts.
Looks weird with no Rip Ride Rocket coming out of them round.
Oh yeah.
I never even noticed on Halloween Horror Nights, did you?
No, I didn't. And the building, that's just it.
This is the Animal Kingdom Lodge in the Kidani village where Sanaa is. Sanaa's just down the stairs. We'll look at some animals. There's absolutely no animals out at the minute. Where's all the animals at?
There's another bird there.
So they're leaving though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, they've obviously all gone in somewhere.
I saw something earlier. They have giraffes out here, don't they?
Yeah, somewhere. Where?
There's a giraffe!
We thought we'd venture out. We thought we'd venture out, see if there's any animals. I can't zoom in on a GoPro.
Oh, there's another giraffe over there, and then a few other animals.
Oh, they're all this side.
Yeah. You do well if your room's on this side. If it's on this side, you've shot it. A giraffe. Two giraffes. One over there.
To change it. Was it there? I think.
Got a watermelon lemonade. Matt has had the
Old Elephant Foot IPA.
This watermelon lemonade is absolutely delicious. It's so refreshing. Just look at this bread service. Oh my god, absolutely delicious. So when they bring it to you, me and Matt always swap the garlic pickle for another pickle burrata. So you've got your not so spicy sauces down that way, back across, and then back up here. Then you give two most spicy ones.
I think they say sweet.
He said sweet the first three,
savoury, and then spicy.
then the spicy at the end. It comes with 5 different breads. I'm going to tuck into this. Absolutely delicious.
Right, we end this video here.
I want to say thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!